how do we upload a PDF file into ChatGPT? And then after that, tell ChatGPT that we wanted to analyze this PDF file for us. Meaning you won't have any need to go and read this entire PDF yourself. Just give it to ChatGPT and have it analyze and tell you all the important points. To do this, you click on this option, and once you've entered this section, you select the file, and now that you've selected the file, first, you actually go and carefully locate your PDF document. And once you have successfully found your PDF file, you then enter it here so that your PDF gets uploaded. Well, after it's uploaded, you give it a command and write the text. You say, analyze this PDF for me and tell me the important points. Well, once you've written your text, you go ahead and send the PDF and wait for ChatGPT to come and give you a full analysis of this PDF. And you can read the analysis of this PDF yourself in full.